Welcome back to Product Critique, where we delve deep into the best products on the market today. Today, we're excited to showcase what many are calling the best citrus cleaner out there, the Zep Heavy-Duty Citrus Degreaser Spray. Whether you're a homeowner looking to keep your kitchen spotless or a professional in need of a powerful cleaning solution, this product promises to tackle tough grease and grime like no other. Let's take a closer look at what makes the Zep Heavy-Duty Citrus Degreaser a standout choice. First and foremost, this cleaner comes in a convenient 32-ounce spray bottle, making it easy to apply and control. What really sets this degreaser apart is its powerful formulation. It's specifically designed to cut through heavy grease, which makes it an ideal companion in busy kitchens where spills and stains are an everyday occurrence. One of the highlights of this product is its refreshing citrus scent. Infused with natural citrus solvents, the Zep Citrus Degreaser doesn't just eliminate tough stains. It leaves behind a clean, invigorating aroma that enhances your cleaning experience. No more unpleasant odors lingering in the air, just a clean, fresh smell that makes cleaning feel less like a chore. Now, let's talk about versatility. This degreaser is suitable for a variety of surfaces, including kitchen countertops, stovetops, grills, and even industrial equipment. You can use it confidently on stainless steel, aluminum, and enamel finishes without worrying about damaging your surfaces. Plus, its concentrated formula means you can dilute it to your preferred strength, making it effective for both heavy-duty tasks and everyday cleaning maintenance. In this bundle, you also get a microfiber cloth, which is perfect for wiping down surfaces and achieving that streak-free shine. The combination of the Zep Heavy-Duty Citrus Degreaser and the microfiber cloth ensures that you have everything you need to tackle any mess head-on. But how effective is it really? Users have reported remarkable results, stating that this cleaner swiftly cuts through grease and grime without requiring extensive scrubbing. It tackles even the most stubborn kitchen soils, making it an essential tool for anyone serious about keeping their space spotless. It's also important to note that while this cleaner is powerful, it's designed for safe use in residential and commercial environments. However, as with any cleaning product, always follow the manufacturer's instructions for use, and consider testing it on a small area first to ensure compatibility with your surfaces. To sum it all up, the Zep Heavy-Duty Citrus Degreaser Spray is not just any cleaning product. It's a powerhouse that combines effectiveness, versatility, and a refreshing scent, all in one. If you're tired of battling grease with subpar cleaners, this is the product you need in your arsenal. So, what do you think? Are you ready to elevate your cleaning routine with the best citrus cleaner on the market? If you're interested in picking up your own Zep Heavy-Duty Citrus Degreaser, be sure to check the link in the description below for more details. Thanks for joining us on this episode of Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth reviews of the best products out there. Happy cleaning!